The 60-second driver.
Completing a turn into the correct lane is a good habit to get into for many reasons.
Making a proper turn lowers your chances of being involved in a collision. When turning right, turn from the closest lane to the curb and into the closest lane to the curb, unless there's a parked car within 30 meters of the intersection. When turning left, turn from the closest lane to the boulevard or center divider and into the same lane on the street you're entering. Swinging out around the driver in front of you is dangerous and could cause an accident. When there is more than one turning lane, the driver in the inside lane turns into the first available lane, the driver in the second lane turns into the second lane, and so on.
Make sure to always turn into the correct lane to avoid a collision.
Brought to you by Manitoba Public Insurance and CTV.